Dear students, I welcome you all to this problem solution series in digital electronics. I am solving the problems from the book Digital Design by Maurice Mano and Michael Seletti. So in this video, I am solving the problem number 1.33 from chapter number 1. Okay. So the problem is the state of a 12-bit register is, that means the content of the 12-bit register is this one, this much. Okay. So what is the content if it represents 3 decimal digits in BCD? So what we have to do here, that means we have to divide these bits in a 3-digit BCD, 3-digit decimal number. So let us write down 1000. That means we have to group these digits in 3-digit decimal number. So we have to take 4 bit each. So 1000, then we have 1001, then we have 0111. So this one is nothing but 8. Okay, this one is 9, and this one is 7. So the answer of the first question is this one. So A. Then the next question is 3 decimal digits in the access3 code. So we get here, that means these are the digits now. Okay, and we have to consider these digits as access3 code. Then what will be the decimal number? Then if these are the access3 code, then we have to deduct 3 from each of these digits. If we subtract 3 from these digits, it will become 5, and this one is 6, and this will be 4. So the decimal digits in access3 code will be 564. And then we have part C, 3 decimal digits in 8421 code. That means again we have to convert this in 3 decimal digits. 1000. Then now let us write down these weights. Okay, 8421. Sorry, this one is 1. Then this one also 1001. This one is 8. Weight is 8. 421. Okay, so and last one is 0111. Sorry, 0111. One is 8421. So this is equal to 8 plus 000. Okay, so it will be 8. So this one is 8 plus 1. This will be 9, and this one will be 4 plus 2 plus 1. So it is 7. So this one is the 8421 code. Then the last part of the question is a binary number. That means we have to find out the decimal equivalent of this binary number. Okay, now we have to consider this as a binary number. The last part, that is decimal equivalent, okay, of this binary number will be 10001001 and 0111. Okay, this is the binary number, and we have to find out the decimal equivalent. So how will find out? So it is 1 into, it will be 2 to the power 11 plus this, for this 1 into 2 to the power 7, and for this one plus 1 into 2 to the power 4, plus for this one 1 into 2 square, plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So we get 2048 plus 128. This one is 2 to the power 7 is 128, plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so the answer is 2199. Okay, so this is the decimal number. Okay, this much for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.